X-Man, those two are mine. Oil her up nicely. 2 pork, 4 chicken. Thank you, sir. Call it back to me so I can know you heard my number.
2 pork, 4 chicken.
Thank you, sir.
You want to have my pork?
You're talking to me?
Yeah.
I don't need to know that. You're making a crazy pita the whole way. Thank you.
Front door open.
And you, sir, we said just a lichki on that guy's pepper sauce, right? Just literally lichki. Thank you, bro. I got 3.5 minutes on my fries.
My fries?
Yeah, on your fries. Yeah.
I'm about a minute away from pork.
Thank you, sir. What happened, big man?
You put all the fries?
Oh, that's why it was so much in there, eh?